Good morning and welcome to another video. If you don't know me, I'm Andrew and one of my passions is railway photography. I'm up early at my local station this morning and I'm hoping to get a decent sunrise. Let me show you this. Looking at my sun position calculator, the sunrise is due to a line at about 8:40 with a straight long railway line, and at 8:40 there's also a train due. So what I'm hoping to do is to get a sunrise and the train coming towards me to align at the perfect time. So see what we can make of this. It's a cold morning, it's frosted, there's snow on the ground, there's actually just some snow falling now, and it looks to be a gorgeous sunrise. So there may be some pre-dawn shots, but let's see what we can make of this one. At this point I had no idea what such a fantastic dawn this was going to be. As I ran up these stairs I wasn't prepared for the spectacle that was about to greet me. What a glorious sunrise. As you can see, the 8:40 from Goole is on time, and the sunrise right down the line is 8:40. So I'm hoping that the train and the sun align so I can get some silhouette of some sort with the train with the sun behind it and that glorious red sky. But who knows? Let's see. Let's see what happens with this. But it's a fabulous sunriser down the line. There's a couple more trains that I can get before the sun probably comes above the horizon. Now it does look like there's some clouds rolling in. The sunrise that we had sort of 5-10 minutes ago has completely gone. It's gone dull. Which, fingers crossed, when the sun gets above the horizon it lifts some light, but it's gone pretty dull at the moment and that glorious red glow has all disappeared. There's some snow showers in the distance that are rolling in and some clouds coming in from the east, so maybe that's what's obscuring it. So this is it. It's 8:40, the sun's in line with the railway, the train's on its way, on time. This is the shot that I'd planned for. If honest, not what I'd visualised in my mind's eye, but isn't it the case, the shot you plan isn't always the favourite? Anyway, let me know what you think of these images coming up now. The ultimate challenge of railway photography, I guess, getting train times to align with sun positions and weather and clouds and light and everything else. For all these elements have got to come together to make that perfect shot Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Another short video, and I shall see you on the next one. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.